guys, here's the first song I'm putting on. It's called Pistol in My Hand, and I hope you like it. Sitting right here with all these things running through my head, like all the things I did and didn't do. Was I wrong or was I right? There's only one way to tell tonight. There's a pistol in my hand, I'm not sure what to do. I have nothing to say, I have nothing to lose. This pistol in my hand is reminding me of all of my mistakes. It's making me think, it's making me wonder what I could have been, wonder who I should have been, with this pistol in my hand. Everything is changing, but not changing slowly. It's changing fast, and I just don't know if I can take it anymore. I'm gonna walk right out the door, but there's a pistol in my hand. I'm not sure what to do. I have nothing to say, I have nothing to lose. This pistol in my hand is reminding me of all of my mistakes. It's making me think, it's making me wonder what I could have been, wonder who I could have been, with this pistol in my hand. Will anyone miss me? Will anyone care if I disappeared? If I vanished here and then? Will my mom think? Will my dad say? I don't think I wanna find that out just yet. So what am I doing with this pistol in my hand? I need to stop and think it through. Putting it down right here on the table. It's time to take a walk. It's time to take a break. There's a bird out singing on a white oak tree. There's a couple kids playing in the middle of the street. Everything gets better, you just gotta give it time. There's always something better on the other side. Just take some time, just take a break, and put that pistol down. Alright guys, I hope you liked it, and yeah, leave some feedback if that's what it is, I'm not sure yet. So thank you.